Here is how we can resize app icons on the iPhone. So if you're new here on this channel, subscribe and we can get started. So there are actually more ways how you can resize the apps. First of all, if you are somewhere on the home screen, you can hold it down anywhere as such, and you will have the ability to click on Edit in the top left corner, and from these options, click Customize. And right now I'm paying attention to this little button, which lets me change the icons, right? So as you can see, now it's a little bit smaller, also showing me the text below the apps. But if I make it bump up, it's larger, and without the text, then this applies to all of the apps across your home screen, right? So if that's the thing which you are looking for, that's the first way how you can resize the app icons. But on the other hand, you also have the ability to go to the settings where part of the display and brightness, at the bottom, we can see the display zoom, right? And when we switch from the default to larger text or the other way around, you're going to notice that it also affects the app icons. So as you can see, I'm currently at the default mode. This is what the apps look like, but if I switch it to the larger text and confirm it, it will take a while, but you're going to notice that the icons are actually going to be a little larger. Not sure if it's noticeable, but there is definitely a difference. But this mode not only changes the app icons, but literally everything, right? Like the app, everything inside of everything is large, even though the keyboard is really big, right? So depends if you want to take it this far or how you like it, but that's how you can definitely change the app icons on the iPhone. And one more thing though about some apps. So as you can see, another example are the widgets. You're going to see that I have a small clock and a large clock right there. And the point is that if you have the clock icon, you can hold down on it and click on this option to turn it into a widget like this. And that's another way how you can kind of like resize the apps and make it come back to the like larger or smaller format. But this is basically switching between the regular app and the widget. So I guess I wanted to mention that as well, but that's essentially everything that I wanted to show you. Let me know your thoughts and opinions about it below. I'm going to wrap it up and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads.